We're diving into a common problem when using psycopg2, the Python library for PostgreSQL, the type error. Not all arguments converted during string formatting error. This usually pops up when you're trying to execute SQL queries with psycopg2, and you've made a mistake in how you're constructing your query string and passing in your data. Let's break down the most frequent causes and how to fix them. 1. Incorrect number of placeholders. The most common reason is a mismatch between the number of placeholders, %s, in your SQL query string, and the number of values you're providing to fill those placeholders. For example, if your query has 3% says but you only supply 2 values, you'll get this error. Make sure you have a perfect one-to-one correspondence. A query like, select from my underscore table where ID equals %s and name equals %s, needs 2 values, not 1 or 3. 2. Mixing string formatting styles. Don't mix %s style placeholders with f strings or other formatting techniques within the same query. Pick one method and stick with it. Using % consistently is generally recommended for its clarity and security. For instance, avoid something like select from users where username equals username, as this is vulnerable to SQL injection. Instead, use select from users where username equals %s, with username passed as a parameter. 3. Data type mismatches. Even if you have the right number of placeholders, ensure the data types of your values match the expected types in your SQL query. If your query expects an integer but you provide a string, psycopg2 might struggle to convert it properly, leading to this error. Always double-check your data types. It's a frequent source of problems. 4. Forgetting to use write single quote cursor.execute. Correctly, you must pass parameters to write single quote cursor.execute using a tuple or list, not directly concatenating the values into the SQL string. For example, it is incorrect to do cursor.execute select from my table where ID equals ID. The correct way is cursor.execute select from my table where ID equals %s, ID. The comma after ID is crucial to make it a tuple, even if you only have one parameter. 5. Incorrect query structure. Sometimes the error isn't about the placeholders or data types, but a simple syntax error in your SQL query itself. Double-check the entire SQL statement for any typos, missing commas, or incorrect keywords. A simple mistake can trigger this error indirectly. To avoid this error, always carefully review your SQL queries, ensure a perfect match between placeholders and values, and always use parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection vulnerabilities and improve code readability. Using parameterized queries makes your code more robust, secure, and less prone to these types of errors. Remember that write single quote cursor.execute is your friend and always helps prevent this error.